YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an H&M mini haul, as well as a small Tory Burch collection video. I am coming at you today after being gone for a few days because I just haven't been feeling the best. But I think I'm on the mend, and thank goodness, because Thanksgiving is fast approaching. So I had this shirt on, and the reason why is because this is my bag of the day. This is the Tory Burch Willa bag in the color Allium. Allium is a purple flower, and so that's why the name is what it is for this bag. It is a gorgeous bag made out of goat leather, and I had never used it until I just started using it as my bag of the day, and I remembered why I fell in love with these bags. And I believe there's quite a sale going on right now at the Tory Burch outlet. So I thought I would show you the other colors I have and just talk about this bag a little bit today as soon as I get done with my haul portion of the video. So my sister-in-law generously gave me a gift card to H&M after I watched her little boy while she was out running some errands. And I wasn't expecting it at all, but I got a couple things and I thought I'd share them with you since they are currently on sale for a great deal. Actually, one of the items has sold out since I received these, but like I said, I didn't really feel up to doing this yesterday, so I'm sorry, but there are still 3 choices available with lots of sizing options. So here's the first item. I don't know if you all know this, but I am a huge fan of shackets, and that's what I got. I got 2 shackets because I love being cozy in the winter. So this is the first one, and the material on these is super soft. Sometimes H&M Shackets can be a little scratchy, just like any place, but these are really soft. And I picked this color palette because I tend to wear a lot of black joggers on the bottom, and I thought this would be a great way to stay warm because I could throw it over anything, even like a long sleeve top. But today I have purple joggers on the bottom because I was carrying my purple bag. And so I threw on this white tank top so I could just show you how this looked without a camouflage pattern on my chest. So I normally would go down to a small in a shacket, but I stuck with the medium with this one because of the sleeve length. I did get the option to try these on in the store, and I felt like the medium was the best bet. I could fit the small around me, no problem. But the sleeve length was what I was most concerned about because I don't like to have shirts end right here. So this is the first of my 2 shackets. I love that it has a drop shoulder here. I think that that just is a very aesthetically pleasing look to have that drop shoulder on these shackets. But it is not lined, but the material is super soft, and I look forward to wearing this weekend. That's why I had to get this video done, so I could wear these right away. So this is the one that's sold out, but I would just keep an eye on it if you want this particular color palette, because I know with H&M they do come back with colors as people return things, and there is a black and white option available as well as one with navies in it, and then the other one I have here in the bag is still available. So this is my favorite of the 2, and it is still available. I'm super pumped about this color palette. See how it has the navy, I don't know what I would call this, like a taupe color and a caramel color. Guess what bag I'm thinking about when I think about wearing this shacket? Oh yeah, you know I'm going to show you. Have to unbutton the myriad of buttons first. It's funny, I feel like the sleeves are a little longer on this one even, but there we go. There is option number 2. And look how fabulous that looks with my new Saint Laurent small Lulu puffer bag in the color Dark Honey. I am loving it. It just really picks up the color tones in that particular shacket. So that is shacket number 2. I don't know if you can tell, but I love this particular one because I think the colors are so pretty. I think they work really good with sort of blonde hair, blondish gray hair, whatever it is that I have. But I promised you a collection video, so let's get to the collection. So the first Willa bag that I have, this is the small size, and it is the color Allium. I have 5 of these. This is the color Toasted Pecan. It's sort of a salmon-y color, and I love it. It's coming across more orange on camera than it is. It's definitely more of a salmon sort of rust color, and it is fabulous. I love this color as well. The goat leather just seems to take the color so well, and the colors are really fantastic. This is the color taupe. I got this on clearance a few years ago, and I just love the shade. It's darker than all my other taupe bags, and it's so pretty. This was the girl that started it all. This is the color New Cream, I believe, and it's got the tumbled silver hardware, just like the allium one that I have has. And one thing I did want to mention is I do not think that the inside flap on these is real leather. It feels different to me than leather does generally. This here, no doubt, this is goat leather. But I started to question this after watching Scottalicious McFabulous do a video talking about how the inside of the outlet bags didn't feel quite as good as the inside of the retail bags. And that got me thinking. And then I bought that Eleanor bag a while back. I can link that video down below. I ended up having to return it because it came damaged. But before I got it, I was doing some reading and I found out that Tory Burch makes the inside of her premium Eleanor bag out of patent leather, polyurethane. Not patent leather, polyurethane. And so given that this is an outlet bag and it feels different than leather to me, I mean, it feels different than this, which is definitely leather. I think the inside of the flap on these bags is polyurethane. It doesn't feel bad, but it just doesn't feel as good as some of the insides of my Coach bags, let's say. But other than that, I love these bags. The outside feels delicious, and the inside is a really nice nylon with a big pocket here, and then the hardware is to die for. I mean, the hardware is fantastic. So you know I love these bags or I wouldn't have 5 of them. Let's just keep it at that. Now this bag is my last of my Willa collection, and I can no longer remember the color for certain. I think it's called Blue Wood or Pancake, but I'm not sure. And I'm not sure where they got Pancake in the name, if that is the name in fact, but I sort of remember it being called one of those two things. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring my notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.